Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yeah, I just got home and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. And yeah, it looks like we are now touching the resistance line that I've drawn like a couple days ago. And yeah, and I posted this small triangle right here in the Discord right before I went to bed. It said there's a potential trade coming up here. And if you entered this trade, right, we could look at the smaller time frames too, how accurate this triangle I drew was. We broke out, we went for the retest, and then we continued higher. So that's really good. So if you entered this trade at the breakout right here, or even like right before, like underneath, you could have made up to like if we're trading at current prices and you held it 3%, if you held it up here 4%, a non-leverage, depending on how much leverage you use, 10 leverage, that's a 40% gain. So that would have been a really good trade too. And right now I'm just waiting for Bitcoin to choose the direction that it wants to go at the moment. We could see on the 4-hour EMA ribbon, we finally closed the green candle above, and it seems to be holding. But what we really want to see is these EMA ribbons like on the 4-hour flip bullish, and that would be really, really good. And then we could start to go, maybe potentially start fighting the daily EMA ribbons and try to flip those. But we gotta flip these before we flip anything else. And right now, the 1 hour, we're still bullish. We're gonna maybe come back down to retest this. But so far, we're looking pretty good. I definitely want to see maybe a 4-hour close above here. If it does start to get rejected again, then yeah, it would be pretty bearish in my opinion. I think that if we do get rejected and we start to go down here, I don't honestly, we're starting to run out of room. And if we do go back down here, we could break down. If we do break down, then we could definitely start looking at lower levels if the $30,000 level does not hold. But we'll see, guys. We're still inside the triangle right now, and we have yet to break out. Let's just take a look at Market Cipher, and the daily candle is about to close in 2 hours. We're going to see if it's more bullish or bearish. But in my opinion, just because the 4-hour, right, we can see that during this whole dump right here, the money flow was red. Money was leaving the asset, and today, not today, but today and like the last couple of days, we could see that the money flow is starting to go a little bit green right now. So we'll see where that takes us. It's possible we go back for a little small dip before we start to go back up on the 4-hour chart, but we're just gonna stay level headed and try to analyze what the market's doing and maybe fish out some potential trades. But so far, it's the market's just still in like its decision making. And yeah, I just want to also look at the hash ribbons. Like every single day I look at this, and yep, there's still no buy signal, and they're actually getting pretty close again. But there's nothing to be worried about unless they actually capitulate. Then there's no really big deal. But they gotta flash a buy signal before they capitulate again. And yeah, we haven't seen that buy signal yet. It's possible that we see like it start to go up again, and then the buy signal comes, and that's when I'll buy back in. And honestly, there was some fundamental news today too about Google allowing crypto ads to come back for like advertisement for like exchanges and like projects and stuff like that, which that is very positive news for the crypto market as a whole, because we definitely want to see like acceptance from big companies for cryptocurrencies. And that's Google is like one of the biggest search engines in the entire world. So that's really bullish news in my opinion. And yeah, so we could see like on the 4-hour here. Oh, let me try to zoom in. There we go. We went back up. We went up. We tested. Got rejected. Looks like we could potentially go back up for another retest on the 4-hour. If we do get rejected this time again, I'm not sure if we would have like the strength to go through. But I'm still bullish in my opinion. I'm still bullish on this. We look at the daily time frame. The RSI is like so low. What's the likelihood of it keep going lower? the weekly is already at the halfway mark. You know, it would be time for a nice relief rally potentially. You know, it's possible that, you know, this is also another scenario that's very possible on the daily time frame. Let's go look that we do go up, right? We do break out, we go up, maybe break through a couple resistances. Maybe we make it to even, it's possible we make it to 51 and then get rejected, right? And then we start to go back down. That is a possible scenario as well. But, you know, I'm going to trade this. And, you know, if we trade this and we trade it all the way up there, that is a 36% pump. On leverage, that's 360%. Or, you know, depending on how much leverage you use, you can make a lot. Or, you know, you can get wrecked also. But, yeah, we can't discount the fact that we could potentially get a very big dead cat bounce, right? And then we go back down. That's possible, right? There's also some people that I've seen like all over Twitter and stuff that people are saying that this is a wick-off accumulation phase. That's also possible, right? This would make sense as well because it kind of, I don't know if you guys have seen it. I don't have a picture at the moment, but a wick-off pattern usually is like something like this, right? And then it starts to go back up, right? An accumulation phase, kind of something like this, right? That's basically like the wick-off event. And yeah, anyways, I just want to give you guys a quick update on the market. I'll be on the Discord. You should definitely join the Discord. We make really good trades every day. And yeah, thanks for subscribing, guys. You have a wonderful day. Peace.